Today we're making a delicious Alfredo pizza. Click on the View Products button to see the ingredients and some of the special tools that I use in this video. Let's start by prepping our toppings. We're going to get some garlic cloves ready. Smash them so we can easily remove them from their little garlic casing, and then cut them into slivers. And I'm going to fry these little garlic chips in some hot olive oil. Just let them start to get brown, and don't overcook them, because remember, they're going to go on top of a pizza, and if we get them too dark here, they'll just turn black on the pizza. So that's only about 90 seconds on high heat. I'm going to use a nice capicola, or you could use any kind of, salty meat like a prosciutto or maybe a hamon. But this is real tasty. I have some already shredded fontina, and I'm going to use some smoked mozzarella as well. It's a little bit of smoky flavor, makes it feel like it came out of a coal-fired oven. Just a few strips of red onion, and these artichoke hearts will go really nicely with all the rich creamy flavors. I'm just using store-bought Alfredo sauce. Saves a lot of time. And let's get our dough ready. I've had this pre-made dough resting in my fridge for over 48 hours, and then took it out of the fridge about 12 hours before we're going to cook. Start stretching it by hand, and then my little dirty secret is that I will bust out the rolling pin. Yes, I know. But I'm not ashamed, because I like a really, really thin crust pizza, and I think this works great. Gonna smear our Alfredo sauce all over here. It just works better if you do it by hand. It's easier to get an even spread. And you get the added benefit of, after you're done, you can lick yourself clean. Delicious. Let's spread our fontina out. Be a little sparing with it, not too much cheese. I'll rip up our meat. I don't want it to be too meaty, I just want it to be like an accent. Just a little bit in every bite. Spread our red onion. Again, just a little bit in every bite. Perfect balance. I'm going to rip up these artichoke hearts. I don't want there to be too much in each bite. I don't want the whole artichoke heart, to go in one place. So I just kind of tear it apart and spread it around. Look at those toasty little garlic chips. Try to spread these out and break them up. And then rip up our smoked mozzarella. Not too much. Mozzarella spreads when it melts, so you just need a little bit and it'll spread out and merge with that fontina and make like a beautiful blend. Some red pepper flake, just for a little bit of spice, a little bit of bite. Make sure it'll shake, and put it in this oven that's been preheated at 550 degrees on a pizza steel, and that'll cook for about 8 minutes. And we have this beautiful golden pizza, gorgeous crispy crust that is creamy, delicious, savory perfection. And you'll notice there's no salt involved in this anywhere, because between the store-bought sauce and the salty cured meat we used, we didn't need any salt. We didn't need any salty cheese like a Romano or Parmesan. That would have just overwhelmed it. Enjoy.